स्टेज पर कुछ लोग ऐसे खड़े हैं जिसके बारे में बहुत इजीली जानते हैं. I'm going to come to her also. She's understood what this word of mouth is. 100 crores so ऐसे हो जाता है. But Umesh ji, Z Studios had a very successful run. But whenever you look at what film should we choose, ऐसा होता है कि यार इस फिल्म में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा है. Like John has seen this, डबिंग में भी देख लिया है. लेकिन जब लोगों के साथ देखते हो ऐसा लगता है कि okay, Veda has something extra. ऐसा आपके साथ भी हुआ था? How did you choose this?
With this bunch of great makers, with this cast and the story that we have, how could we say no? I think when you watch the movie and you guys have seen the trailer, it's a very powerful film. And with this one, we definitely think we will punch this out of the market.
Did you chat with a lot of people to say यार मेरा तो एकदम perfect आया है इसके, looking at this you feel my instinct is perfect.
Yes.
But then you do second guess your own instinct also with your close ones also when you're watching it.
So I think the audience is finally who will give us the verdict. We are leaving it to them. We are very happy with the product, and like John said, कितना भी marketing कर लो, ultimately the content speaks, and that it is.
The word of mouth शब्द जो था, Sharvari knows all about it. I remember मुंजिया के time में there was a little bit of stress. She was in my studio. Salil, it should work. ऐसा चल गया. Can you please tell us what you're eating या what is the मंत्र जाप that you're doing? एक महीने से सिर्फ आपको ही आपको देखते जा रहे हैं. Big round of applause for her also. She just burst on the scene in a very short time. और हर एक एक्टर ही समझता है जब आपकी पहली फिल्म आती है और शायद ऐसा ना करे जैसे आप चाहते हो और उसके बाद एक गैप हो जाता है. फिर धड़ाधड़ जब आने लग जाती हैं, you're just saying, wow, this is like Sachin Tendulkar hitting 50 and 50 and hundreds. So congratulations. But this is again a very different avatar. The assumption would be कि आप एक टाइप का ऐसा रोल पकड़ेंगे और बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो जो आपने रूल बुक को बाहर फेंक दी है इसके बारे में जरूर बताएं.
My heart is pounding a little bit.
Now you should be used to it.
I'm also seeing this trailer in the theater with so many people and this kind of sound effects for the first time. So my heart is pounding. If I touch here, you guys will hear my heart. But I'm just grateful actually at this point for everything that has happened so far. Like you said, of course, my journey has not been you know that your first film comes and then it doesn't work the way you wanted it to work. It's been a 3-year gap, like you said, so it's been a while. But a film like Veda, I just want to say thank you to Nikhil sir, the main person, the first person who's given me this film. And I just want to say thank you because this film has not, I think I found confidence in myself when I was on this set. I have found confidence when he gave me this film because for an actor like me, it's important for a director like Nikhil sir to just believe in you. Forget the end product, forget what happens, etc. But the fact that he put his faith in me, that just means the whole world to me because that has changed everything for me. It has made me a different person. It has made me a different actor. And thank you. Nikhil sir.
I can genuinely feel the gratitude coming out right now, and I can see the relief also. I can also feel tears behind you. This is fantastic. You've done it. You've made it. This is brilliant. I know the wait can be really long. So congratulations. You deserve all the success.
Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you so much.
Manisha, congratulations. Wow, you come out and you see the films and you say, okay, we've chosen topics. And we don't actually know anymore what works. I mean, even John himself as a producer has always been so brave. He could have done so many things that was so run of the mill over the years. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं किया उन्होंने भी. Something like this, sensitive films, you say, yes, this is an interesting topic to pick up. But then, how's your choice when you go back home and think about it 5 times? Should we make this? Should we not? क्या ये पैसा बनाएंगे? क्योंकि producers को तो इसके बारे में सोचना पड़ता है. Actor तो will give his best. But the producers want the best to translate is equal to money. So इसमें, how's that process?
Thanks, Salil. Firstly, thank you everyone for being over here, and I hope you liked the trailer that we had for you. Thank you. What you're seeing is relief on a lot of faces over here because I think some of you may be aware of the journey we've had after making the film and bringing it to this point. I want to say, answer your question about the choices, and I have to be very honest. I said no. When Nikhil shared the script with me in the middle of the pandemic and said, Monisha, this is the film I want to make. And we were on a Zoom call and I said, no, Nikhil, it's such a